What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. Let's not shelve the topic of bathrooms. And we'll talk about this Homodelia bathroom shelf. I got this in stainless steel. I really like these, whether you are setting up a guest bathroom to be super comfy and have all the accoutrements that your guests need, or just doing it for your own bathroom, whether you have a big one, a master guest room. You know, you can probably use these for other things as well. But I wanted to just show this to you because it seemed like it was going to be really super simple, very basic, but hold a lot of stuff. And so, especially, you know, for me, when I have guests over, I like to be able to have right at their fingertips, whether it is something like shampoo and conditioner and body soap or body wash, all those things, and a nice little tray like this will make sure that all of that is right there. As you can see, this thing is pretty long in terms of overall length. I would call it like, probably about 16, 17 inches long, and I actually don't know if they advertise the length here, but it's probably about, 5 inches deep, which is pretty nice too, as well as a few inches tall, maybe 2.5 inches tall. So you get nice stainless steel grating. I actually like that the supports, the forward to back supports here, are underneath these bars so that you have a nice flat uninterrupted surface as opposed to these being on top and knocking things over. And then as you can see here, we also have some lower area, so if you have something like soap or something like that, you don't have to reach over this bar. Now, especially on the front, or maybe on the back here, we'll find out, you've got it turned up on this side and then flat on this side. So I'm going to take a look at what we get in the bag here, which is going to be all your stuff for attaching this. Attachi? In Goldfinger, the one girl, he asked for his attaché case, and she's like, attachi? I don't know if you remember that. So we get these sticky pads here. They're very large, like 2 inches by 2 inches. And you can see here we've got little silicone holders. And so I'm assuming that these will go on here, just like that, right? And I'm assuming then if we put those right here, let's see if I can get that on. Boom, just like that, that you actually only might need, I think, like 2 of these, because kind of the weight of everything will kind of press it into the tile of your bathtub. So if you have these attached to like ceramic tile and something in here, these posts right here are going to just kind of hold everything in place. It's not going to fall off. So I don't think you actually, I was thinking, maybe you need to put them down here too, but you can see it wouldn't even work. So I think these other pads here are just extras if you need to move it, because they're maybe kind of single-use pads, but that's pretty nice. I think this could attach to just about anything. I mean, heck, you could probably use it out in your garage for tools or under a sink or wherever. I mean, these things look pretty sticky, not like suction cups. Cool. I dig it. I'll put a link to this in the description if you want to pick it up. Peter from Panda. Out.